What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So I got a little care package from my sponsor, MICTUNING. I did videos for them before with my wheel ring lights on my 18 STI. This is a pretty nifty gadget right here, since I have a brand new big ass enclosed trailer. They actually came up with a nice little way to help organize like your chains and whatever on your jack, like say when you're not obviously actively towing something. These are the parts that it comes with right here. Okay, so it comes with these parts that go around the neck of the jack. Okay, and then yep, it goes in just like that. Then you have a nifty 7-pin trailer plug cover, which is actually pretty good from the Elements. And it comes with the hex bolts, nuts, and the Allen key for it. So pretty sure this is a pretty simple install. Let's get it on real quick. Alright guys, it's pretty much that simple. The nuts, you put them in the hex jackets right back here, and you could thread the hex bolts in. They give you the Allen key to make sure you tighten it up. Very, very simple, man. They give also these strips of rubber, because this is either made for either a 2-inch or a 2 1/4 inch neck for your jack. So you can put the rubber in between here, like in between here, before you tighten it, to pick up a little bit of space. And that's really it. In case I missed it, guys, this stuff is made from aluminum, so it won't rust, and fits on there pretty tight. Let me show you what we can do with this. So the 7-pin plug right here. Take out the plug. So there's the plug. And then when you're not using it, just match up the grooves. And pop the cover on the plug. It's actually a really, really, really snug fit. Very snug fit. So definitely water is not going to be getting into this thing anytime soon. Yep. That's pretty much it. Guys, definitely. And obviously your chains. I'll show you this one real quick. Chains could hang up. Just put it on this side now. Your chains, you can hang your chains right here, so it's all nice and organized. Like I have a chain hanger right there. You could just hang it right here. It actually looks a lot nicer and neater. And that's it, guys. You know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. I'll list this stuff in the description for you. And this stuff you can get right off of Amazon. Right off of Amazon. So don't fear. But anyway, that's all the time, folks, and I will talk to you soon. Take it easy.